Today we will discuss how to draw a pie chart. So this is our question number 2. So we are given the heads of expenditure and annual expenditure. So heads of expenditure are food, clothing, housing, education, transportation, savings and others. And these are the expenditure which is given in thousands. And what we have to do, we have to obtain a pie diagram for the above information. So how to do that? So go to this Excel sheet. See, I have already plotted this. What is our aim? Aim is to draw a pie chart. The second is what is statistical tools, diagrammatic representation. Required formula is pie chart. So data given in practical sheet, that is our data source. And what we have to do, we have to select the data with the help of insert function. Say how to do that. I have already written here. So what is the heads of expenditure? This is the heads and expenditure, and the total is also shown here. And now I want to draw this graph. So see, this is a beautiful graph that I have drawn. It is a pie chart. How to do that? So I will do here. So select this whole data, go to insert recommended chart, select this pie chart. Okay. Now see, we are getting all of this. Suppose if you add something, you can use this plus sign, chart title, data labels and legends. And also you can use this function. So the Excel has given various options and you can use any function. See, this is also shown, looks like good. This is also looks like good. Anything that you like, you can use this. So this is the food. This shows food. This shows clothing, housing, education, transportation, savings, and others. So give a chart title. So what is my chart title? So I am just giving. So likewise, you can give annual expenditure of a family over different heads. Otherwise, you can give the chart title as pie chart. But the best way is to give a title is related with your example. So that means this is the annual expenditure, and annual expenditure is given of a family over different years. See, this is also looks like very beautiful. At the same time, this is also important. Okay, so in the next we will discuss subdivided bar chart. Till then, goodbye.